All right, a lot of times you get holes in the sheetrock. Maybe a door handle hit it, or maybe you had a kid who got upset and put his fist or kicked the wall and knocked a hole in it. Now we're doing a ceiling here, and because we're on a corner, I can't use these nifty patches, but literally if this hole was in a wall, this patch covers an 8x8 hole. And the beautiful part is it comes in a 6x6, 4x4, and really they're simple to use. You sand off the texture. You literally, this is a metal plate with the mesh on it. When you peel this off, it sticks. And you would cover the hole and then float over it with sheetrock mud. Great for on the walls. The thing you gotta remember though, any place where you put this, you are no longer hanging pictures, because really this is just a cover and you're gonna have a skim coat over the surface of it. But for most holes in a wall, this is all you need.